Hello everyone, how are you all? In this video today we are going to discuss about some multiple choice questions of class 10th of CBSE and the State Board of Assam, that is SEBA. The first chapter we are going to start today, that is real number, MCQs of real numbers. And this is the first question for you. The question is, which of the following is a pair of co-primes? Before solving this question, all of you must know what are co-primes. Co-primes are the numbers or any two numbers having one as their GCD. अब GCD बोलो या फिर ACF बोलो, बात तो एक ही है. ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिविजर बोलो GCD या फिर हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर बोलो HCF, बात तो एक ही है. अगर किसी भी दो नंबर्स के for any two numbers or for any two integers, if they have the same or common divisor as 1, then such numbers are said to be co-prime numbers. Okay, or any two numbers having ACF 1 is called or are called co-primes. तो यहाँ पे भी हमें वही देखना है. We have to check which of the given pairs has got only one as their common factor. 14 and 35 इनके common factors क्या क्या हैं? 14 7 into 2, 35 7 into 5. तो यहाँ पे common factor 7 आ जाता है. तो these are not co-prime. यहाँ पे 18 and 25 ये co-prime हो सकता है क्योंकि 18 it has got factors as 18. If you break it, then it will be 3 into 3 into 2, right? Then 25, if you break it, then it will be 5 into 5. So they have the common factor 1 only. Okay, only 1 is the common factor in this case. So 18 and 25, these are the two co-prime integers. So our correct option will be option B. And the third one, let us check if there are any more co-prime integers. 31 and 93. See, 93 is exactly 3 times of 31. That means they have got the common factor as 31 also. And this is an even number, that is 32. It is divisible by 2, that means, and 62 it is also divisible by 2 at least. So they have one of the common factors of these two integers is 2, therefore they cannot be the co-prime integer. The only possible answer is 18 and 25, that is option B. So let us consider the second question as, if A is 2 square into 3 cube into 5 to the power 4 and B 2 cube into 3 square into 5, then HCF of A and B will be, what are the HCF of A and B? HCF, so at first we have to check 2 square is there and 2 cube is there. What is the highest common from here and here? That is 2 square and 2 cube, that is 2 square is the highest common, HCF. Okay, then 3 cube and 3 square, highest common is 3 square. Then 5 to the power 4 and 5, highest common is 5. What will the HCF then? 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 5 is 5, so 4 5, that is 180. 4 5 times 20, 20 into 9 times, or 29 times is 180, that is 180 is the correct option. Okay, let us take now the third question. Okay, we have the third question. This is also similar type as that of the 2 number question. HCF of 2 cube into 3 square into 5 and 2 square into 3 cube into 5 square and 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 5 cube into 7 is. We need to find out the HCF. सबसे पहले ध्यान रहे हमें क्या निकालना है, HCF, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. तो देखते हैं कॉमन क्या क्या है इनमें, हाईएस्ट कॉमन क्या हो सकता है. ये पहला वाला टर्म देख लेते हैं. यहाँ पे 2 क्यूब, यहाँ पे 2 स्क्वायर और यहाँ पे 2 to the power 4. सो HCF में हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर सबसे पहला क्या आने वाला है इसमें से? हाईएस्ट कॉमन मैक्सिमम कॉमन क्या है? 2 स्क्वायर है into यहाँ पे 3 square, यहाँ पे 3 cube और यहाँ पे 3. So only 3 can be the highest. After that here there is 5 square and there is 5 cube. So highest common will be 5. Okay, we need to find out ACF only. So you know that is 2 square is 4, 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 3, that is 60. So highest common factor is 60, that is ACF is 60. The correct option will be option C. So it's very simple, isn't it? Now let us take another question, question number 4. And our fourth question is to find out LCM, lowest common or least common multiple. Okay, of 2 cube into 3 into 5 and 2 to the power 4 into 5 into 7. What is the LCM? So very simple question. इसमें देखते हैं 2 cube and there is 2 to the power 4, so all to the power 4 will come. 2 to the power 4 will come into, that is 3, there is no 3, so 3 will also come. There is 5 one time, there is also 5 one time, so that 5 will come as common. Then there is no 7, but there is 7, so 7 will also come. If you multiply them all, then it will give you 2 to the power 4 is 16 into 3 into 5 into 7. It will give you 1680. 1680 is the correct option. That means option D is the correct one. That is 1680. Okay, LCM you need to find out. So understood how I found the solution. See, there is 2 cube and there is also 2 to the power 4. The common is 2 cube. Okay, and uncommon left will or one more 2 will be left, that is also included here in the LCM. That's why 2 to the power 4 is taken. Then 3, there is no 3, so 3 will also come. 5 both are common. Single times 5 is there, so 5 will come as common. Then 7, there is no 7, there is 7, so 7 will come. And when you multiply them all, then it will give you 1680, which is the LCM of these two numbers. Okay, so let us take the fifth question now. Okay, there is the fifth question in your screen. The fifth question says ACF of two numbers is 27. दो नंबर के ACF कितने हैं? Numbers, two numbers are there whose ACF is given as 27, and their LCM is 162, and one of the numbers is 54. You are asked to find out the other number. Okay, as you have already learned that ACF into, since ACF into LCM is equals to product of the two numbers. Let the one number be A, the other number be B. Product of the two numbers A into B. Okay, ACF kitna hai? What is ACF in this question? That is 27. Then LCM, what is LCM in this question? That is 162. A, what is the one number? One number is 54, and the other number, let it be as B. So if you shift it and solve it, then it will be 27 and 162 divided by 54 is equals to B. See, 27 two times, 27 two times, then 81 times. So what is B? The other number is 81. Or very simply, 54 3 times is 162. 3 into 27 is also 81. So that way you can do. Okay, and the correct option will be option D, that is 81. Okay, the other number was considered as B was the other number, and other number was found as, it is found as 81. So 81 will be the correct option. That is option D is the correct one. Now the sixth question will be, okay, there is the sixth question, that is the product of two numbers is 1600, and their ACF is 5. The LCM of the number is, very simple question. See, product of the two numbers is given, that is 1600. ACF is given as 5. You are asked to find out their LCM. As you know, ACF into LCM equals to ACF into LCM equals to product of the two numbers. And what is the product of the two numbers given as? Yes, it is 1600. And we have the ACF is 5. So LCM will remain ACF if you bring that side, or you write 5 ACF, then LCM, ACF into LCM, 5 into LCM is 1600. Now LCM will be 1600 divided by 5 and LCM they are multiplied. If you take that side, then it will be dividing it. Then it will be 5 3 times is 15, 16 1 is left, 5 2 times is 10, 0, 320. Now let us check whether 320 is the answer or not. In the option 320 is there or not. Option A, option B, option C. Look at, there is 320. That means 320 is the correct option. Option C is the correct one. Okay. ध्यान से देखें, हमें दिया गया था ACF था 5 और we need to find out LCM, and it was given that product of the two numbers is 1600. So as you know, ACF into LCM equals to product of the two numbers. You have just substituted the value of ACF here. After that, little solution gives you answer as 320. How easy the solution is, look at. Okay, here is the 7th question, and the question is, what is the largest number that divides each one of 1152 and 1664, 1152 and 1664 exactly? Very simple question. See, if you find out the ACF, largest number, said largest number, highest common number which divides them exactly. Okay, that is common, exactly divides them exactly means common. So highest common number you are asked to find out, highest common factor, that means. Okay, that means you will find out the ACF of these two numbers, and simply finding out the ACF of these two numbers you will get the answer. And ACF of these two numbers is 128. So 128, that is option C, will be the correct option. Okay, so you can find out the ACF and check it for the answer whether it is 128 or not. Here we have the 8th number question, that is, what is the largest number that divides 70 and 125, leaving reminders as 5 and 8 respectively. Reminders 5 and 8. That means when number 70 is divided by certain number, then remainder left as 5. And by the same number, when you divide 128, the remainder left as 8. So let's see, after reducing the remainders from them, what comes? 70 minus 5, that is 65. Then now the number is exactly divisible by that something certain number. Then 125 minus 8, because it leaves the remainder. For the first one, remainder is 5, and for the second one, remainder is 8. After subtracting 8, you will get 20, 17, 117. Okay, and now these two numbers are exactly divisible by that certain number. That certain number be suppose x. Okay, that certain number be suppose x. So these two numbers are exactly divisible by x. That means x is the ACF of these two numbers. That means finding ACF of these two numbers, you will get the answer. And ACF of these two numbers is nothing but 13. That is 13. Look at, ACF of these two numbers is 13. 13, 5 times is 65 and 9 times is 117. Okay, the correct option will be 13. Then let us solve question number 9. Okay, we have the 9th question is, what is the largest number, greatest number, again ACF, that means largest number that divides 245 and 1029, leaving remainder 5 in each case. Okay, leaving remainder 5, that means when 245 is divided by a certain number, that remainder is 5. When 1029 is divided by that particular number, then remainder is 5. That means we need to find out the ACF of what are the numbers? 245 minus remainder is 5 and 1029 minus 5. That means ACF of it will be 240 and it will be 1024. HCF of these two numbers you need to find out, and if you try, you will get the ACF will be